Thank you for calling TMoore Motivation. This is Katrina. How may we inspire you today?
Hi, this is Principal Avery from Bryant High. I am in desperate need of a motivational speaker.
We would love to be of assistance. Tell me, what are some of the issues your students are experiencing?
I have students who are grappling with the pressures of social media. Just recently, my secretary informed me that a significant portion of our students are experiencing bullying. Some students are choosing to isolate themselves because they feel like they don't belong, while others are struggling to find inspiration in their challenging living environments. Many of these students lack positive role models at home. Even our teachers are facing frustration and finding it tough to stay motivated. Now, regarding the individual that you're recommending, how does their expertise compare to that of other speakers?
Well, Mr. Avery, in your professional career, I'm sure you've come across many coaches and speakers, but I assure you, you have never come across anyone quite like this. His name is TMoore, but they call him the Motivator.
A local superhero.
Is everybody ready? It's time.
Okay, you failed. Everybody falls. Everybody falls. Get back up.
To all my coaches and teachers, please take a knee. Remember, our job is to see what is missing and to fulfill, not to complain, but to fulfill. And to all those who feel left out, I will help you stand out so you can stand in and wear your own name. Become your own hero. That is what this symbol stands for. It means warrior. So let us stand together because we are all warriors. Because we are all fighting for something.
Thank you very much, Motivator, for significantly contributing to reshaping our school's perspective and helping us navigate these challenges.
Perspective is everything, Principal Avery. Because how we see things is how we do things.
On a more personal note, you have so much power, but what more could you possibly want?
What all good coaches want. I just want it more.